All right, guys, welcome back to another day. Very rainy day today. No harvesting being done. I was just out and about. I heard some grain dryers roaring away. It looks like harvest is pretty near the end here. There's still some guys that have soybeans out, but everybody's winding down here. So what do I do now that I'm done? Today's kind of odds and ends day again. I got some fuel, mainly the winter blend diesel fuel for winter. I don't have any winter blends, so I just got enough. I don't want to store 500 gallons of fuel over the winter time. Just need a little bit. It was pretty well empty the end of this year, and just got a little bit to carry me through the winter in case I need it. But anyway, I want to get the tire chains put on the 395 because on Thursday they're calling for 3 to 5 inches of snow. So are we going to get 3 to 5 inches of snow? I have no idea. But if it does snow any more than 4 inches, I found with this tractor, it's better to have the chains on. If it's like 5-6 inches, this tractor isn't so good with the without the tire chains. I have them hanging up over there. When I bought this tractor, they came with tire chains. Had to pick up a few bungees. I was just out. I need the bungees for across the wheel there to help hold them. Last year's bungees were all dry rotted, so I want to do that today yet. Picked up some fuel additives for the diesel through the winter time. A couple other odds and ends. So let's see if we can get this thing started. It's damp and chilly today. Tomorrow is only a high of 34, and I was going to go get my rye tomorrow, so I don't know. We'll see. But let's get the chains on the loader here. Boy, that started easier than I thought. LED lights. So I'm going to get this out over there to work on it. All right, so the tire chains are on both sides. We got fresh new bungees here to help hold them side to side. I usually put some cable ties on to zip tie the chains from flopping around the excess, and also to keep it from coming apart. I know from experience I have lost a tire chain already plowing snow. So I'm trying to get everything done that I didn't get done in the season. I added some wire loom here to hide these wires going up to the lights. Now that's good, and I want to get these other lights now installed. These are just like those, so they should be a little bit better than the round ones. I just can't position the round ones in the right place, and I also need to add an inline fuse to fuse this lighting system that I added to the tractor. So let me get working here. All right, it's getting dark. Wiring takes a while. So we've got these rear ones changed now, and now they're fully adjustable. I can crank them down to stare right down at the drawbar, or I can have them back. Might move them around as needed. But that's done. I want to put the fuse in yet before it gets too dark here, and then we're going to call it a day. So, like I say, a little bit of eventful day today. We got some fuel, we got the tire chains on, got these lights switched around, so we should be good if it does snow. Hopefully it doesn't, but just seems like this year winter is here early. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll come back with you again. All right, if I've done my math right, I'm gonna need a 15 amp fuse for what these lights are putting out. So we've got this in line here. I made it extra accessible here, so let's give it a try. All right, we've got our 15 amp fuse in there. Let's see, make sure there's no smoke or fire. Pretty good. So the math was right on that. There's a chart online if you're curious to figure out your amperage, wattage, all that kind of stuff, to find out what kind of fuse you need for DC electric wiring. So got a whole mess of fuses here that I've accumulated. So all right, let's see. All right, so we managed to finish that project. That's now done. This tractor's really getting close to being finished. I know it's dark. Just got to get the rest of the painting done, but lighting's done. There's a little bit of wires to dress up yet. Maybe get some more of that wire loom. But we should be ready if it does snow. cool and damp. Tomorrow's partly sunny and cold, so I think I said that already. So I got to keep finishing up these projects that I just didn't get done yet. One of which is to finish the LEDs on the 685. So we're getting there. That's where I'm going to end today. It's about supper time, so good place to call it quits for the day. So all right guys, thanks for watching, and see you later.